A lot of you have been asking how to place images into frames in my templates. And I get it. The layering can make it tricky, and you can't open a template and drop the images in the frames because a lot of other elements are layered on top of the frames. Here is the easiest way to do it. Select any object and go to the Position panel. This will open up the Layers panel. From there, select all your frames and bring them to the top. Quick tip before you do that. Group all your frames together first. That way, you can move them all to the top in one go, instead of selecting each one individually, which just gets confusing. Once all your frames are at the top, go ahead and add your images or any other elements to them. When you are done, simply bring the group back down to its original position. That is it! Super simple once you know the trick. Drop your questions below if you have any.